There is urine in my freaking grout. Or should I say there's pee, there's piss. Yeah, it's one of you. No, it's not one of you two. Tonka, get out of here. Get out of here. You guys get out of here. Go. 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 There's pee in my grout. There's pee in my freaking grout. And it's not, I don't think it's Bruce. I think I'm pretty darn sure I know who it is. That's right, it's Petey. It's Petey, and he has peed in the bathroom. He's peed just about everywhere in the house. He's nearly house trained now, but the residual urine is in our white grout, and I want it out. So I've scoured the internet looking for ways to get rid of it. And what I found so far is that possibly Nature's Miracle can get it out along with some heavy duty scrubbing, and I think a steamer. So what I did is I went online and I got a steamer, and I'm gonna try out the combination of steaming and Nature's Miracle and some heavy duty scrubbing. And then I'm gonna question Bruce when he gets home, make sure it wasn't him. Pretty sure it wasn't. And then I'm going to keep the dog out of the bathroom now. But we'll see if I can get it white again. Because it's white grout. And now it's a little yellowy brown color. It's disgusting. So let's see what I can do. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this Nature's Miracle everywhere, and then I'm going to let it sit for a while, and then I'm going to bring in our new steamer and see if the combination has a good impact. Let's try that. What I have here is this awesome little steamer that I got on Amazon. It's called the Dupray Neat Multi-Use Steamer, and it's pretty cute. And it comes with, as you can see, this long arm attachment that breaks down into like 3 pieces. Right now, I'm gonna start with it with the little skinny attachment that looks like this. That's about the size of the grout spaces, so it can really get in there. And then I'll probably switch to the wider mop style to just get the whole face of the tile afterwards. Yes, there's the culprit. What you planning on doing, Petey? Nope, don't do it. Don't do it. Like right there. That's the bad spot. That's right by the toilet room door. And then you compare it to here, right here. That's pretty clean, right? He never peed there. Oh, but look. This is where he's peed. So hopefully this will look like this when we're all done. See, the green light is on now. Ultimately, when I'm done, I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry. Now what I can do now is switch this out for the actual little mop guy.
Scrubber mop.
Okay, so now we're just mopping with the heat. It's funny because I always think of Nature's Miracle as pretty benign, but when I was just in here spraying it all over, it was getting a little fumy. So this is about an hour later, and the tile has had a chance to dry. This is where there was never any pee. And this is where I cleaned it up. So I think it's a lot better. So that's from using Nature's Miracle, the Dupray Neat Multi-Use Steam Cleaner. And there are nice, somewhat clean grout tile floors. And with any luck, Petey will have learned his lesson and will not pee on those again, right? Right? Is that right, Petey? Yeah, right.